A Murray woman's move to Idaho for a job in healthcare has now got her additional duties as a part-time radio host. It is a change that she has made to better inform the Hispanic community about COVID. The specialist Mike Anderson making the trip up north to see why she does this and why she says those efforts are making a difference. Mike?
Yeah, Mike, Lillian Newey left her job with Intermountain Healthcare here in Utah to manage one of their clinics up in Southern Idaho. But on top of that, she's taken on some responsibilities to better inform people in the Hispanic community about their health. Downtown Burley doesn't quite have the same feel as Murray, Utah.
At the time, I didn't even know that we had a hospital in Idaho.
But Lillian Newey and her family made it their home after she took a job as a clinic manager. And part of what drew her interest here is the large Hispanic community.
And then COVID happened. And at that point, we realized that there was a need. And when we started sending out a lot of information about COVID, we were like, okay, we need to do it in Spanish.
But she says they soon realized that wasn't enough. And as she started searching for a way to help, she found herself here.
I call this my hobby. I tell them that they can pay me in tacos.
Where she plays a bit of music, but mostly she talks.
Buenas tardes, ¿cómo están todos?
Sharing the latest information about COVID-19 and other important health topics.
Al igual que la de Johnson & Johnson.
She started as a guest, but now hosts Nuestra Comunidad, or Our Community, every Tuesday night. She says people are listening and asking questions, and she's getting to help families much like her own.
I came to the United States in 1989, so I was 9 years old. I only spoke Spanish.
Her show is just one piece of Voz Latina, a volunteer radio station where everyone pitches in, from broadcasting to clearing the sidewalks, like station president Ruben Batista.
She helped a lot to us to information to the people,
Newey says she's not sure if this is the reason why her family needed to move here, but it's helped her feel more at home.
Gives me that blessing of being able to help out others.
And Newey says she's been able to cover some other important topics, like teen pregnancy, vaping, and stuff like that, and suicide prevention. She's originally from Guatemala, and she encourages people to call her with questions directly at her office over at the Intermountain Clinic.